Hi guys, Tina here from Man Rags. I'm going to do a really quick tutorial on how to make a face mask out of some odd socks that you might have lying around the house, which I'm sure you do, because I know I've got tons. So here goes. So I guess depending on the sock will determine on where you cut. This is a smaller size sock, so I'm going to be cutting in a little bit less, but if you've got a men's sock that's a bit longer, you can potentially get two masks out of it. Just one of them will have this section around the nose and the mouth, and on the other, if you were to use this part, it wouldn't, but let's just see how we go. So we're going to cut about 5 centimeters in from the heel. So we're just going to cut that off, and then I'm just going to cut off this part right here. Then we flip the sock around, so this is the part where your heel would normally sit. So we're going to cut straight through the fold in the center. And then once that's cut, open that up and then flip it over. So then this sort of, the heel part pops out. Then we're going to cut sort of maybe 2 centimeters up and onto the other side. Now let's give it a go. So, I mean, I kind of look like a toucan, but you know, with these restrictions coming through in Victoria, Wednesday midnight, I think, you know, this will work. If you don't have anything else, if you can't get your hands on like a mask, then you can just do your DIY ones at home with an old pair of socks.